Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to put AI to the test by building websites using AI. All the tools that are used today will be free. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. We will be using this 2.5 Pro model, which is good for complex tasks and coding. It was released just last week. And I have a prompt that is ready, and it's a basic prompt that says create a portfolio website for data scientist and AI ML engineer. I've mentioned some sections that I need in my portfolio. I have also given a theme that is coding plus data themed website. So I'll just hit enter and let's see what it thinks. So it is thinking about creating a structure about some sections, project, CSS. So let's wait for the output. Yeah, now we have the output. So let's copy all these files one by one into our VS Code. So index.html, I'll create a new file called as index.html. Paste the code here, save it. Again, CSS file, save it. And the last one will be script.js. Yeah. Okay, save it. So we will show preview here and we'll copy this link for better preview and open it in a browser. Yeah, better here. Okay, so it has created a profile picture space here, and hi, I'm your name, data scientist role, bio, and a get in touch button. The skills sections looks good, Python, SQL, and it is giving a brief description of the skill too. Okay, so it has segregated those skills too. So AML skills, tools and platforms. Okay, looks good. It is also highlighting it in a different color. There is an animation. Work experience is looking good. Job title, company name, everything is mentioned in this card. And same for the goes with education. Okay, looks good. Okay, work and insight has this title, GitHub link, and a live server link. Okay, nice. It has space for image too, and the footer looks good with email ID, GitHub, and LinkedIn. Okay, so for the first time it looks good. So without just with using a basic prompt, this looks good. Let's take it one step ahead by using a different prompt for a different use case. So here I have a different prompt for landing page for a newly opened music themed cafe. So it is aesthetic, chill and cozy cafe, and create a specific section for reservations, taking reservations. So it started thinking. Yeah, we got the response. Again, we'll copy this and create files that are required. Style.css, and the last is script.js. So we'll click on show preview and copy the link to our browser. Okay, so it has given a name to our cafe. There is a header which contains all the section. There is a title, bio, and a book your spot button, and your story section where we have a space for image. Okay, so this is the food that will be available in our cafe with images, and there is full menu button. So book your table section is here. It has given a section for selecting dates and time selectors. Okay, great, it works. Okay, and the request reservation button. Cool. So here our vibe, so we can post different photos here, and there is a map specifically to get the address, phone, email, and some opening hours. We have different icons here. Fairly looks good, but I need some improvement, so I'll just say improve the color scheme of the website, use bright colors, and for now take all the images from internet, make it more interactive by adding animations and effects. So let's see what it does. we have got the response. Again, we'll replace all those files. I'm not making any replacing all those files. Okay, now again we can refresh the website. So it has used a different color scheme. So the button is in green color now, and our story has an image built in. So food has image with a subtle animation. Looks good. So the button color is being changed. Book your table color is changed. Request reservation looks good now. It looks fresh than before. Here we have subtle animations again. The map still remains the same. We have all the information as same as earlier. So this is good. So some iterations are required to improve this site, but this looks good. The headers have these animations. So my comment on Gemini will be that it's fairly great. So whatever you give in the prompt, it is trying to execute it all. It is thinking and it is reiterating all the things. So after 2 or 3 iterations, I guess you will be getting a production ready website. So this is a great start. We'll get back to the next one. So the next one that we are going to see is fairly complex. It is built on the top of an agent layer. So there are multiple agents that will be working on to create the website that we are going to see today. So let's get right into it. Let's start with DeepSight. So it is a Hugging Face AI code agent which is powered by DeepSeek. The same site that we are seeing here is hosted on Hugging Face Spaces. So either you can use directly through the site or you can use through Spaces. And let's go back. If you scroll down, so here we have a code section and a canvas. So we'll use the same prompt that we used for creating portfolio website for data scientist and AML engineer. Copy this and paste it here. So it will start creating code and we can see the preview of this website live in the canvas area. Yeah, so either you can scroll it here or you can copy this and create a new file in our VS Code and then show preview here just for better browser visibility. Okay, so this looks great. Oh, it has a background of binary numbers. That is great. And the name is highlighted in a gradient, role, bio, and some buttons. We have a profile picture here, currently working on section. That is great. The About Me section has bio and some titles that is used for highlighting. Okay, coding journey has a percentage, nice. Achievements is mentioned in a different section. Technical skills, oh nice. The skills are depicted in a diagram. So here Python, SQL. Okay, this section highlights as we hover on. Methodologies as a different section. Work experience as everything, the role, company, bio, and dates. This fairly looks good. Hovering effects are there. For education, it has mentioned everything, and certifications there is a different section for it. Okay, great. Feature projects are looking great. There is icon for all the projects, title, view paper, and GitHub links. There are skills sections which are mentioned in boxes. There is a description and the name of the project. There is also a section that says which industry that project belongs to, which is great. Some more projects and some latest articles. This is good. So it has the date for each article. And this is the get in touch section which contains email ID, location, availability. It has various icons which look good. And there is a section for sending a message. Okay. And this is the footer. So footer again contains name, role, and the icons that we saw earlier. This is fairly great. Like for just for one prompt, this is very good. The header section is highlighting. Okay. Oh yeah, even the scroll bar is in different color. I like the details that are mentioned in this website. The website made by DeepSight is really cool. Like it has sleek glass morphic design, it has great background, it has done an awesome job showing off skills. It totally nails the whole coding plus data themed that we provided it. It maintains the vibe that we suggested it. So, and the best part is with just one prompt, it has created such a polished and eye-catching website. So there is a chat section for writing improvements. So if there is any improvement that is needed in the site, you can write it here. I don't think so any improvement is needed in the site because it looks fairly good. But if there is any, we can write it here. It will change the code and it will show the live preview. So let's go to the other prompt that we tried with Gemini. That was for music themed cafe. We'll copy this and reload it so that it will give a blank canvas. Yeah, so we'll paste it here, and it has started generating code from scratch. Yeah, the website is ready now, so we'll copy this and create a new file here in VS Code, and we'll click on show preview, open it in a browser. Okay, so it has picked up some background image from the internet. There is a header which highlights the sections. There are two buttons. There is a table and a menu button. Okay, so the second section is our story section, which has some content written, and there is a great illustration which follows the theme of the website. And there are some key points that are mentioned for the cafe. That is fairly good enough. And our menu section, which has menu cards and a different section wise, so coffee and espresso, food, pastries, seasonal specials. Okay, great. It has mentioned the prices too. The next is upcoming event, so it has various cards mentioning the date and the time for that event, and a view all events button. So there is this section, make a reservation, which has full name, email, phone number, and there are some selectors like date selector and a time selector. This looks fairly great than the one that was created by Gemini. This section is great, and the end is footer with contact us section, ours, and the icons that are needed for reach. Okay, and yeah, this is fairly great than the Gemini website, but I need more improvements in this. Like I need more interactive elements, so I'll type that, add more interactive elements and add more animations. So let's see what DeepSight does with this prompt. So it will start the code again, and it has completed it. Copy it, paste it here. Okay, we'll refresh this site. So there is a subtle animation for the title that is given, that looks good. For buttons also it's there. So so there is a progress bar that loads whenever we scroll up or scroll down, so that is great. And this illustration has an animation that is great again. Okay, so our menu is split into three sections now: coffee, food, and specials. There is a subtle animation, zoom animation, and also a hover animation for the names of the food. That is great. So it has added many interactive elements as of now. The background is a parallax image, and the upcoming events is same, I guess. Make reservation section is same. There is a contact section, that is also same. So there is a button to go up. That works. So reserve a table guides to this reservation section, where we can write our name, email, phone number. Yeah, and okay, so it has added some constraints too. And click on reserve now. Yeah, it has reservation confirmed. The backend is not implemented, but it fairly has implemented all the UI. View menu section scrolls to the view menu. Just a month ago, I tried out a bunch of free tools, but none of them would do what this can. Like, they just gave me basic templates, some simple CSS, and little to no interactivity. The improvements since then are huge. Sure, DeepSight by Hugging Face is probably better than Gemini for creating websites, thanks to the agentic framework, but Gemini 2.5 Pro is still a pretty impressive improvement for a reasoning model. So you just need to picture what you want, write a simple prompt, and let AI handle the rest. The possibilities are endless. Like, I even tried building a few websites, like Netflix style website, a modern looking website, even a replica of Book My Show. DeepSight nailed all of this. So get creative and come up with something new and start building.